Hello everyone, good morning. I hope everyone is fine. My name is Prerna. I'm career consultant at head office of BRDS. So today I'll be discussing on admission and counseling process, that what next you have to do. And congratulations for your amazing success, everyone. It was like tough journey. So I'll share one screen. Is this
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So NIFT 2021 admission and counseling process. NIFT has 17 campuses pan India. Recent one is Panchkula. So there are 17 campuses where you can apply for: Bangalore, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Delhi, Gandhinagar, Hyderabad, so on. Distributions and number of seats. So this is a distribution chart. If I see for Bachelor's of Design program in Bangalore, general category, there are 37 seats. So you can take a rough idea like where you can target for this particular seat. For fashion designing, there are 37 seats in Bangalore. For accessory design, 37, textile design, 37, knitwear design, fashion communication as well. So Bangalore, Bhopal, Chennai, Gandhinagar, Hyderabad, Kannur, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, Patna. Seat distribution of every center is mentioned over here. Counseling schedule. So can be given by next week on official website of NIFT, www.nift.ac.in. Just because you got qualified, don't be relaxed and complacent. Following guidelines elaborately and meticulously is very important. Follow each and every step. Visit website daily so that you get to know when the forms are out, though we'll be also sharing the details. Last year, 2020, everything was online. So this year also we are expecting everything to be online. Counseling process. Registration for attending the online consult is mandatory. So they will release one form on their official website. You have to register yourself over there. You don't have to pay any fees, any registration fees. You should register on the time that they have given. They will give you a time frame of 5 to 6 days. Within that, you have to register. That is compulsory. So there will be no editing window, no late submission, nothing. Only on that particular date you have to register yourself. Counseling process, candidate will also have to select a counseling campus. Now this is very important. Counseling campus, select the campus which is nearby your place. So supposingly if I am from Ahmedabad, I will select Gandhinagar, because if sometime there are some formalities that I have to do later on also, Gandhinagar is nearby, I can go there and do the formalities. Okay, so select the campus whichever is nearby. NIFT conducts the counseling for offering admission across all the 17 campuses. So I have mentioned the 17 campuses where you can go and do the counseling process. So select whichever is nearby. Step 1, what will be the step 1? It is registration. So candidates are required to apply online through the link on the NIFT website. So NIFT website, and click on the registration link. You have to click over there. You have to fill the form number and date of birth. Your form number and date of birth, you have to put it over there. Enter necessary information along with counseling campus, what campus you are selecting, passing state of 10+2 examination, and alternate contact details. Also, you can put details of your parents as an alternate one, and then you have to choose proceed button. The confirmation message for the registration will be sent on your registered email ID. So whatever email ID you are mentioning over there, you will get all the details, all the updates on that particular mail ID. Email ID, date of birth and password, please note that down. Don't forget it. There were students earlier also who used to forget it. Don't forget it, because you will not be able to regenerate it again. Okay, so put a note wherever in your mobile or in your book, like what is your email ID, date of birth, and compulsory your password. Step 2 will be upload required document as per program and category. So you have to upload documents also. Register candidates have to log in to their account to upload required document as per their program and category. List of documents as per admission program and category will be given separately in the instructions. So they will give the annexures also, where they will write like what all documents is required. So you have to prerequisite, you have to collect all the documents. Online submission of complete admission fee in 2020. So in 2020, everything was online. So they asked for the fee which was paid in advance by all the students. The payment of admission fee can be made through debit card, credit card, net banking, wallets or UPI. They will give you multiple options for payment, but they took fees in advance. So this year also, because this pandemic is going on this year, if it happens like the same, then you have to deposit fees in advance. Fourth will be document and fee verification. What all documents you have submitted over there, they will verify it, like whatever. Once verification is done by NIFT official, successfully verified candidates will receive a Zoom meeting link with their respective date of counseling and further instructions. So you will receive a Zoom link where you can have an interaction with them for further instruction. In case of any issue found in submitting your documents, if there is any issue in documents or your fee payment, then they will give you a time window also where you can correct it. So candidate will be able to re-upload the document or reprocess the fees as per rejection remark till the last date mentioned in the notification. In case of failure in resubmission of form within stipulated time, if you are not able to reload, if you submit your form, then your form will stand cancelled. So please be very much aware whatever you are posting, and if they are updating you with mail that this document need to be verified, please do that within the time frame that they are mentioned. Next will be seat request generation. Now, registered candidate must be present for counseling on the scheduled date through Zoom meeting link shared after successful verification process. So they will give you Zoom link, you have to be there. NIFT official will show their seat chart also to you. They will show the seat chart, like fashion designing in Bangalore, this much seats are left. So you can figure it out where you can apply for. Okay, so they will show you that particular list, like where seats are left and which designing seats are left. Okay, so they will share. Once candidate confirm his or her final choice, that seat to the candidate and send further to NIFT HO for approval. And once it is approved, you will get the fee, you will get the seat, and download allotment letter option you will get. So they will allot you the seat and registration portal and everything. Then after that, your campus and everything is final. They will give you your registration done, like registration process is done. Now students, if you are willing to take admission in particular campus, like supposingly if I am giving the exam, I want to take a campus whichever is nearby in Gandhinagar, and I'm not getting that campus, then you can apply through NRI category also. So they have one more category that is known as NRI. In case candidate seeks admission under children ward of NRI category, candidate has to submit additional document and undertaking and pay balance fee before cancellation. So you have to cancel your prior registration. You have to renew your registration to NRI category. Fees is that is like the difference of fees they will charge. You have to pay that particular fees. So they will give you an option also to do that. In case of non-fulfillment of additional document and undertaking and fee within the stipulated time frame, seat will be auto-cancelled. So they will cancel your seat if you are not able to decide within a particular time frame. So please, if you are planning to join, supposedly if you want to join NIFT Mumbai and you are not getting that particular center in your seat allocated, your rank is like behind or anything, and then you wish to get admission in NIFT Mumbai, you can go through by NRI quota. So they will give you the seat. Fee structure definitely will be different. List of document what they can ask you. So everything here is based on 2020, because 2021 they have not established, they have not written anything on their website. So we are assuming that this will be the process. Candidates who have successfully cleared the NIFT admission 2021, you should select this process as per final result declared. May ensure that soft copy of valid documents are kept ready. So you should keep ready soft copy of all the documents that I am mentioning over here. Proof of your date of birth, birth certificate, qualification, Category certificate. So if you like category certificate, what category you fall under, OBC, SC, ST, PWD, then you have to keep that certificate also. So based on the category under which the candidate has applied. So if you have applied for OBC category, keep that certificate with you when at the time of verification also. And certificate of medical fitness, that is also required, that you are medically fit and you are eligible to go ahead with the whole 4-year process. And photograph, etc. There will be some little things also that they can ask for, but these are the 5 main documents that you should be ready with. A list of documents required to be uploaded along with relevant annexures will be enclosed with the counseling schedule. So they will tell you that also, like what all documents are required, which rank will be counted. Now this is very important, which rank will be counted. There are many students who are like, we have sent you the admission cutoff list of 2020. Now there are many students who are in category rank. It is based on common merit rank, CMR, opening closing CMR. So when you are looking towards that cutoff, as on common merit rank is allotted to all students as per marks obtained by a student, irrespective of the category. This will include all category students, whether it's SC, PW, common merit rank, you can get it. Okay, so lowest is, I suppose it is in New Delhi, 144 for general category and fashion designing course, and highest is in Srinagar. Okay, so this is a elaborated chart where you can see what is your rank. If you fall under ST category, then it will be like 1,357 Delhi, and then the highest will be around 8,000 something, 8,702. Okay, so this is the base through which you can check your mark and where you can get admissions into. So based on common merit rank. So again, this is for apparel design, for all the centers, all the categories, textile design, fashion communication, knitwear design, leather design, and bachelors of fashion technology. And there are management, like masters of design, masters of fashion management, and masters of fashion technology also. So they are also having this type of cutoff, last merit rank. How to select course and campus at NIFT. Now, for example, if you like course preference, it's not necessary. Don't keep that only one preference that I want to go in fashion communication. Keep yourself like 2-3 fashion design, fashion communication, knitwear design, depending upon your rank, what campus you are getting. And campus preference also, you can prioritize like Gandhinagar, I want to go, but on the second or third, you can keep Bangalore, Hyderabad, whatever your preferences is, just an example. Okay. On the contrary, if any student has a specific course preference and want to stick to it, supposedly if Arya wants to go for fashion communication, then it is fine, you can stick to that particular thing, and then student can keep a list of campus preference ready with them. So fashion communication is available in Gandhinagar, Bangalore, Hyderabad, so she can keep 2-3 options apart from that course. Okay. Note, on everyday basis, the seat metrics with the course and campus available is updated on official website of NIFT. So every day they will update depending what all students has filled the seat. So in Gandhinagar, if there are 37 seats, so supposedly 25 seats are already full, then it will come around that this much seats are left. So you can apply for that particular seat. Check the availability of seats before sitting for the counseling with your preferred course and campus. Okay, so you have to check that also, like what seats are left in which campus, which course, and everything. You have to check. You have to keep a regular eye on NIFT website. NRI quota, student can also opt for NRI quota, as I have mentioned earlier also. Keep all the documents ready while appearing for online counseling. If you are like earlier only, if you think like I can pay that much of fees, I can go to NRI quota, then please keep the documents ready for NRI quota. That also is mentioned on the NIFT website. NRI seats can be taken if students fulfill all the documentation and fee criteria mentioned in the guideline for NRI student. Okay, so at that time, at that particular time, you have to decide whether you want to go for NRI or not. Okay, so be prepared earlier only, discuss it with your parents. If they can pay that much of fees, I'll discuss the fee structure also. NRI quota seats, there are total 444 seats for NRI. BDES, all programs 299, BF Tech, it's 50 seats, M Design 18, MFM 61, and MF Tech 16. So these are NRI quota seats. NRI quota documents, what all documents they will ask you: undertaken to be signed by the NRI foreign nationals, photocopy of the passport of NRI foreign nationals who is signing the undertaking, which is attested by an Indian consulate embassy or by a solicitor attorney of the country where the NRI foreign national is residing. So you have to take a reference of some foreign national. If you want to apply, if I want to apply for NRI quota, I have to take a reference of the person who is residing over there. Okay, NRI fees, as mentioned in the prospectus, I'll discuss it. All the other relevant certificates, degrees, and undertaking as prescribed in documents required. So they will give you all the what all requirement is there. You have to fulfill that. Indian students' fees is per semester fees is 1,67,000 around. But if you are applying for NRI quota and you are targeting campus like Bangalore, Chennai, Gandhinagar, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, Raebareli, and Srinagar, then your fees per semester for the whole year, it will be 9,25,000 around. And for the students, if you are targeting Patna, Kangra, Bhopal, Kannur, Shillong, Jodhpur, Bhubaneswar, and Panchkula, then 6,55,000 per annum your fees will be. So there will be a lot of difference in term if we talk about fees, but this fees is per semester for the Indian students. And if you are applying for NRI, this is per annum fee structure. Now there is one more category, state domicile category. If you have seen the cutoff list which we have shared, there is one category, state domicile. The candidates will be determined to be domicile of that particular state in which the candidate has completed her 12th examination. Okay, so wherever, like if you are from supposedly Bhopal and you have completed your 12th grade from there, then you are eligible to apply for state domicile category. A certificate from the concerned school college is to be obtained. Format is also given on their official website. In case the candidate obtained the qualifying certificate, degree through distance learning mode, the address of the school attended by the candidate regularly will determine her domicile status. Okay, so that is the base through which they will decide your domicile. Seat availability under the state domicile category seats will be offered for admission as state domicile preferential seats. So there are some of the campuses which offer the state domicile category. So it belongs to 9 states: NIFT Patna, which is in Bihar; NIFT Kangra, Himachal Pradesh; NIFT Kannur, Kerala; NIFT Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh; Shillong, Bhubaneswar, Jodhpur, Srinagar, and Panchkula. So a chance to get. If you have a merit list, supposedly for 4,000 plus in Gandhinagar, if we talk about which designing you want to go in, you have to mention that also so that I can check. Is SAT score required for NRI? Yes, SAT score is required for NRI. Will the fee taken be refunded? So if you are not selected on that particular campus, they will refund you your fees, whatever you have paid. It is a long process. They will take time, but definitely 100% they will refund your fees. NRI quota now, yes, you can apply for NRI quota now as well. After in the counseling round also, you can apply for the same. If you have not applied earlier, then also it's fine. You can apply. Ranking of NIFT colleges, metro cities are ranked first because you get a lot of exposure over there, but it is like totally fine if you go to any of the center which is not metro, but exposure wise it will be less, but in terms of placement it is like good only. CMR 12,000 plus, very difficult to get into NIFT because 12,000 is like too much. 12,000, I don't think so. If we transfer for general to NRI quota, we will still require SAT score? No, it won't. They won't require. It's just at the time of counseling only you have to decide whether you want to go for NRI quota. So there is like they won't require a SAT score. CMR 293 Parth Prajapati, definitely what campus you want you can get. I'm not saying that all the campus you want, but what designing, please mention your designing also, because if you will write only your rank, I won't be knowing what design you want to go in. NIFT Hyderabad, a lot many questions. Ma'am, I got a category rank of 225. Can I get FD in Mumbai? FD in Mumbai for 225 rank. And your category is? Write your category, your desired campus, and plus your discipline. CMR course category rank 3.5. What can I get? 4,000 plus you can get like Kannur, Srinagar. There you can get the designing disciplines. OBC category 458, CMR is 3360. You can get, but in like later, like the centers, Panchkula, Srinagar, there you can get. Are there any spot admissions? Spot admissions are not there. So definitely exam is must. 5,000 CMR, Gandhinagar, you won't be getting in 5,000 CMR. 4,400 designing, fashion designing, general category. In fashion designing, 4,000, general category, it's difficult. Fashion designing, it's difficult. CMR 1651, Ayushi, you have not mentioned your discipline. Many questions. Which campus is better for MDiS, Bangalore or Delhi? Both the campuses are better. So there is no distinction. And if I prioritize, then Delhi is best. Ma'am, my category rank is 214 in accessory design. General category in accessory design, if you have 214, definitely you can get Mumbai. Yeah, you can get all the Mumbai, you can get Panchkula, you can get Bangalore, you can get all the centers. Common rank is 4,257. Difficult there. I have category. Madam, for MDiS NRI seats, I will be required those documents. Yes, for MDiS also same document which I have mentioned. It is based on past year. So this year, if they add also one or two documents, then it's like you have to keep it. Registration process, Shilpi, it's not started yet. It will take 1 week time. So please keep in check on NIFT website. Chennai 2888 category 2257. Chennai also it's very difficult in that particular rank. 1600 for FD Gandhinagar. General category very difficult. Till 900 rank you can get Gandhinagar for general category. My CMR is 1722 and OBC is 200 for fashion design. What campus can I get? 1722 CMR and OBC category. OBC category, you can get fashion designing. You can get fashion designing in campuses like Hyderabad, Gandhinagar, both you can get it. Can I get into information Gandhinagar? Everyone wants to go in Gandhinagar campus? My CMR 1548. Fashion designing category 540, common rank 10,213. 10,000, it's very difficult. After 8,000, it will be difficult. But then please register. Common merit rank is 1200 and category merit rank is 983. You can get the campus. Common merit rank is this. It is. So if you are writing like common category rank, which campus you can get, you have to mention the discipline also, like fashion design, fashion communication, apparel. 2412 category rank, where can I get for fashion designing? Your category again, you have not mentioned. So, so I'll share the category screen, or I'll share the screen so that you can see. I'll share screen again for better clarification. Like I'm getting all the questions related to rank only. How you can see this? So already we have shared this list with you. You have this list. So if your common merit rank is supposedly 2000 and your category is general, then what campuses you can get is you can get Bhubaneswar, you can get campus like Panchkula, Rai Bareli, Shillong, Srinagar. So this is the way where you can check if you're supposedly your rank is 3000 and your category is OBC, okay, and you are targeting fashion design, then you can get in 3000 OBC, you can get Kolkata, and after that Kannur, Kangra, you can get Jodhpur, you can get Rai Bareli, Shillong and Srinagar. So is everyone getting like how you can check your common merit rank, like how you can check like which campus you can get, so that you can keep a rough idea? Thumbs up everyone if you are getting, if you are understanding. So supposedly if if accessory design you are targeting, accessory design if you are targeting and your rank for general category is 800 around, then you can get Gandhinagar campus, okay. And if I talk about other category like ST, and if your rank is around 5000 also, then you can get in ST and accessory design. See your common merit rank, don't see your category rank. This is like must. For example, talking about textile, if you want to go in textile design and your rank is supposedly, it starts from 396. So it starts from 300. So if your rank is 300 general category, then you will get for textile design, New Delhi, it will be your first preference. Then you can keep is Mumbai and Bangalore, second, third, until last rank is around 3500. So textile design general category, it's like last rank is around 3477 for general category, and for OBC it's around last is around 6779. One more example we can take, fashion communication, as many of the students wants to go in this particular field, fashion communication. Supposedly your category is general, but your section is EWS, economic weaker section. Then minimum it will start from 579, which is available in New Delhi, fashion communication, and it will go till 8000 plus, 8500. Okay, so this is the way like how you can see the chart and decide your campus as well as your discipline. Yeah, it can be 100 plus or minus, because this is based on last year rank. It can be plus minus. That is why I have said in the presentation, keep three options for designing also and for campuses also. Okay. Knitwear design, knitwear, if I see, knitwear, if I see for general category, it's 432. If your rank is, you can get New Delhi, and highest is around 2800, Kannur. And if your category is supposedly PWD, physically weak one, then it's like 6,900 around. It will start from Mumbai. OBC, it will be around, your minimum will be around 2354, and maximum you can get is 6,000 till 6,000. 6,000 you can get Kannur. So if your rank is above like 5,000 or so, you can get centers like Kannur, Srinagar, Shillong. BF Tech, if you are applying, if you have given exam of BF Tech, then result of that, New Delhi will accept score till 41. So if your common merit rank is 41, then you can get New Delhi for general category, and maximum is Kannur 1226. So till this rank, students have secured admissions at respective NIFT campuses. So this is just for idea. Schedule caste, if I tell, it will be around New Delhi 902 minimum your rank, and maximum it can go till 1500. So every like questions are mostly asked on rank and category and design discipline. So you can look into it like this so that you can also yourself see where you stand, which campus you can get. Uh, okay. Passport. Passport of any foreign national is compulsory when you apply for NRI quota. Supposedly, if your family member or anyone is residing over there, their passport will be required, and they should have a passport of their like of that particular country also. Ma'am, please suggest some good private colleges in Bangalore. Muna Lal, please talk to your mentor for it. You don't Arya, you don't have to pay whole fees before counseling. It's just fee per semester. You have to pay the fees in advance. Counseling pay, they will call you as per your common merit rank basis. There is no scholarship program in NIFT. Modita, which campus is better, Bhopal or Jodhpur? Both are better. Whichever is nearby, you can go to that particular center. MDS Delhi, please read that chart. Can you explain the state domicile category again? Okay. Should I share the screen and explain? One second. So this is state domicile category 1. So the candidate will be determined to be domicile of the state within which the candidate has completed his or her 12th examination, graduation or qualifying degree. So if you have completed from these 9 states, then you are eligible to apply under state domicile category. And you should have like what documents they will ask you is leaving certificate of your 12th grade or your graduation qualifying degree. And if you have done any distance learning also, then also you are eligible to apply under state domicile category. And seat availability under the state domicile category will be offered for admission as state domicile preferential seat to candidates. So these 9 states, only this 9 states accept this particular category. Patna, Kangra, Kannur, Bhopal, Shillong, Bhubaneswar, Jodhpur, Srinagar and Panchkula. Only these 9 campuses. So if you want to apply for state domicile, these 9 campuses you can go ahead with. Rukma screenshot, I don't think so. For category rank, already my team has shared you the admission last merit ranks. You can check it from there. My academics have shared you yesterday itself. At the time of counseling, they won't be asking for school leaving certificate, though your 12th result is also not out yet. They won't be asking. It is only for the students who are applying for state domicile category. Suha, we cannot share the PPT. Whatever information you want, you can contact us. We'll be giving you the information. Seat allocation will be on the basis of your category merit rank. Okay. We'll share you the PPT also if you want. So whatever I have spoke, and if you have any doubt, then also you can contact us. Transfer certificate, Mahira, it's not at all required at the moment. Anam, do we need to pay 50,000 at the time of registration? Amount is yet not decided there. So they will tell you later on what fees you have to pay. And if you have paid the fees, you are not getting the desired campus, then they will refund your fees also. I'm studying in first year VIT. Should I drop it before applying for NIFT counseling? It's not necessarily you have to drop it. You can just go ahead with the counseling session. If you get your desired campus, then you can drop. NIFT Bhopal is better, Modita. Mahira Shams, which campus is better, Delhi or Mumbai? Delhi is better for fashion designing, and Mumbai is also better. Both are better, but Delhi you can keep priority. Like, you can set your priority. Fashion designing, Anu Deepika, fashion designing Mumbai or Bangalore, which is good? Mumbai is good. Patna, Bhubaneswar, both of them are same. NIFT Hyderabad is very good. NIFT Hyderabad is very good. You will get a lot of exposure also over there. Which campus is better, Bangalore or Gandhinagar? Gandhinagar is like better. CMR question, please. We will be sharing the PPT. You can check it, and then also if you have any doubts, you can call us. For fashion communication, which center is better, Chennai or Kolkata? Chennai. Won't be any changes in fee. EWS category also there won't be any changes in the fee. I have to check this. I have to check this particular thing. I'll check this and update you. After first year, can you change your course in NIFT? You cannot. No, you cannot change. Samruddhi, you can take, ma'am, is drop a good option or should I take admission in whichever the seat is available? Take wherever it is available. Don't drop for the whole year. Whatever campus is available, design is available, take it over there. NIFT, all campuses are at par. Every campus is the same only. It's just like metros. You will get exposure. That is the only difference. Apart from that, there is no difference. So wherever you are getting, please go ahead with the option. And there were some questions regarding hostel facilities also. So you have to check on particular campus where you are applying, whether they have hostel facility. In detail, I also don't know about it. My category rank improve, will it make a difference? Yes, it will make a difference. You will get a good, but category rank, how you will improve? Next year, by giving next year. Can I get Bangalore common merit rank is 527? Yes, you can target Bangalore for fashion design. Your category, if your general category, domicile, basically domicile is, there are some cities which give, some states which give preference to particular students who did their education from that particular state. So state domicile is like that. So they will give you preference. In Mumbai, how many seats are there? On segregation, if I talk about NRI seats in Mumbai, BDES total seats are 299. But for Mumbai, if you are seeing fashion designing for NRI, here it is mentioned, see, NRI, word of NRI. If we talk about fashion designing in Mumbai, there is no NRI quota in fashion designing in Mumbai. There is no NRI quota. You can check it from here also. Advance fee, yes, you have to pay advance fee before the counseling session. How many seats are reserved for OBC? This is the whole chart. OBC, there are around, reservation is around, 1 second, and just, it's around, I guess, 7% for OBC. Here is the reservation. See, OBC it's 27%, ST it's 7.5%, general it's 10%, person with disabilities 5%, and scheduled caste is 15%. Can you show the chart for fashion communication? We'll share this with you. For knitwear design, which campus would you recommend? For knitwear design, which campus? If it is Mumbai. For knitwear design, Mumbai, like metros, you can target first Mumbai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, then Kannur. You can rank like this. Nandini, please ask on the chat only. Fashion communication metros, you can keep priority. Ma'am, this rank under the OBC is the common making or the category rank. It's a common merit rank in India. My rank is 1066. Mumbai will be difficult in 1000 rank. If I pay lift counseling fees and after if I get in NIT, will I get a refund? So if they won't be refunding you in that case. If you choose the campus at the time of counseling and later on, if you get selected in NIT, then they won't be refunding your amount. OBC people, I have shared the category. It's 25% of reservation seats for 27%. These are the chances. Accessory design, Shreya C. Let's check. Accessory design, your rank was 500. 500, you can get Gandhinagar also. You can get Bangalore if your category is also. Yeah, so you can get. You can get Bangalore, Gandhinagar. Priya, you can contact us only from the number like 9825057598. You can call us. We'll be answering you in detail about the courses. My category rank was 1225. Like last year it was 1225 and it is 505 this year. Yeah, definitely it will make a difference. Like 600 before, it will make a difference. Will I be able to 527 fashion communication? For that, you have to fashion communication 500 plus. Mumbai, it will be difficult. New Delhi, Mumbai, it will be difficult. You can get Kolkata, Gandhinagar, Hyderabad. Rechecking is not available. Jodhpur you can get for fashion communication. Jodhpur rank is, your category is general and 3501. Jodhpur 3501. General category, it's difficult in Jodhpur. You can get in Srinagar. Yashita, I have not read your question. So can you repeat it again? You can reply. No, my general EWS category and my category rank is 21 and common merit rank. I want admission in Mumbai. Is this possible? For MDiS, if you want to apply, then your category merit rank is 413 and common merit rank is 413. Your category is general EWS. You can get Kannur. You can get Kannur. Or if there are some little variations, then you can get Bangalore, but not Mumbai. Mumbai will be difficult for you. Juhi, Mumbai will be difficult. How should we prepare ourselves for the counseling session? Is just one-on-one interaction. They will ask you for the documents. It is not an interview kind of thing. So no preparation. Only preparation is that much preparation is required. Like you sell campus and your discipline. Just you have to keep in mind that. That's it. How would we prepare ourselves? They will not ask you any question. They will ask you just your preferences. And if they have that, they will give you. If they don't, they will show you the chart also, like what all campuses, what all seats are left. You can choose at that time also. But pre-preparation पहले से रखना कि ये center में ये मुझे जाना है. Does apparel design and fashion designing are same? Almost they are same. Madhu, again, I have not read your question. Ma'am, I got depends on your interest, Aishwarya. Accessory design and fashion communication both are a little bit different also. So depend upon your interest. You can choose like which one is better. Sidra, you want to talk to alumni from NIFT Jodhpur? I'll see to it. It's difficult, but I'll see to it. CMR. Fashion communication, Mumbai and Gandhinagar both are equivalent, both are same. Mumbai is like one of the preferred center for every courses. So don't compare Mumbai with any. If you're getting Mumbai, you can take. And Gandhinagar is also good, but Mumbai is better. Arya, Mumbai is better, and seeing your rank also, I've seen it. You can get Mumbai. My category rank is 2262 general category. Satvika, all of the metros are better. Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kolkata. So questions are related. Yes, Priya, next week they will start the counseling session. So next week, it's like still within 7 days they used to start generally. We'll update you. Please, you also keep an update, check the website on regular basis. Fashion communication category. Fashion communication. Your EWS category rank is 88. You want Mumbai? Mumbai you can get. Mumbai you can get in EWS category. Bangalore is also good. For FC, Mumbai or Gandhinagar, whichever is better. Both are good. Both are good. One of mine. If her CMR is 5,900, then she can get Gandhinagar. Definitely will be difficult, but she can get Srinagar Kannur sections, and depends Neerav sir on her category, like general category. It will be difficult. PWD, but PWD general. PWD general, and her category is 5,000 around. She can get Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai also. Yes, Mumbai also she can get. Mumbai also she can get general category 19th rank. That's really nice. Congratulations, Rachita. You can get Mumbai Center. My common rank. Everything is based on you yourself can check this common merit rank, because it will be difficult for me to answer all the questions about the category rank and everything. We'll share this details. We'll share this information to you, and then also if you find any difficulty, then we'll be helping you. We'll be guiding you from here. Within 7 days, they used to start the counseling process. Okay. So I suppose every question is related to merit rank only. Accessory designing is about designing of your bag, shoes, your jewelry, which is accessory, whatever accessory you are wearing, your scarves, your hat, that everything designing of that comes under accessory design. Counseling last depends, like whenever they will fill their seats, counseling will stop. So ऐसे कोई month का calculation नहीं है कि इतने महीने तक चलेगा या इतने दिन तक चलेगा. जब तक seats full नहीं होगी तब तक चलेगा, full हो जाएगी तब बंद हो जाएगा. Aishwarya, completely depend on your interest. NIFT Jodhpur is very good. Shadra, NIFT Jodhpur is good. You can apply there. Ma'am, now no such situation test. No, Harshini, there won't be any situation test. Whatever result you got, this is your final result. So on basis of this particular result only you will get the admissions. What is important?
It's 12 o'clock.
For seat allocation, they will see your category rank there, Shubhra. For campus selection, it will be common merit rank, but for seat allocation, they will see your category rank. Counseling will be online. It's just we are predicting it to be online because last year it was online, but this year we don't know the situation, but feels like it will be online only, seeing the situation of the country. If we book a seat in first counseling and in second counseling, if we get better campus, can we change then? No, once you book the seats, it's fixed. You will have only one counseling round. Well, last year it was one only. Like they had one counseling round only. Because उन्होंने आपसे फीस ले लिया था पहले से, फीस लेके उन्होंने आपको कैंपस दिया था, एक ही बार काउंसलिंग हुआ था, तो उसमें जो आपने फाइनल किया था दैट वाज फाइनल, देयर वाज नो अदर काउंसलिंग राउंड. Bharat, it will start within a week. It's a tentative thing. I'm also not very much sure, but last year it started within a week of announcement. How many option campus course we can apply for? At the time of counseling, you can apply for only one. You can apply for only one. Will be they take. Yeah, they will take semester fees in advance. For general 2, they will see the category. Campus selection, Priya, campus selection is you can decide like Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, where you want to go, and seat allocation is depends on which course you want to apply for. Fashion designing, accessory, knitwear. For seat allocation for all the category, like they will see your category rank only. You don't get admission in campus. Yeah, it's not at all necessary. If your rank is 10,000 plus or 8,000 plus, then it is not 100% sure that you will get admission in NIFT. But you should still register for the same. So if whatever your rank is, please do register yourself. Fashion designing is also good in Manchi. I do not mind doing any course unless it's in NIFT. So how do I choose? But Siri, you have to keep something in your mind. How can I, like, what your interest is? There are many courses. You can keep some campus, like if you want to go in Mumbai, your rank, what is your rank? And if you get that particular discipline, whatever discipline you are getting, you can go ahead with it. But some or other, you have to fix something in your mind, like course or like course maybe, which course you want to go. So we have to tell them our preferences and they will help us to apply for one. No, at the time you only have to choose one campus and one design discipline. Arya, if you will later cancel the admission, no, they won't be refunding you your fees. If seat admission not taken after registration, withdrawal request after confirmation of seat request, receive online, no physical request, full fee except registration fee, they will refund. I'll check it, but they won't be refunding you. Bangalore, Ruthi Bangalore, go for Bangalore. Fashion, CMR 499, FD and fashion Radhika, you can get general category with 499 rank. You can get in all the. You can get in Hyderabad. You can get Hyderabad. You can get Kolkata. You can get. You cannot apply for 2 disciplines at the same time. Only one. They won't be calling you Shresth Khare. They won't be calling you for counseling. You only have to check the website. Everything will be available on their website. They will not mail you. They will not call you. That is why Karabi, we have shared the chart. You can 50 can be like up and down, but then उसके बेसिस पे आप डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि कौन सा आपको मिल सकता है. उसके हिसाब से ही आप काउंसलिंग में जाओ. थोड़ा अपना दिमाग मतलब माइंड में सेट करके जाओ कि ये सेंटर मुझे मिल सकता है, ये डिजाइनिंग मुझे मिल सकता है. तो ये रेफरेंस के लिए कॉमन मेरिट रैंक लिस्ट आपको दिया है, तो आप वो रेफरेंस के लिए यूज कर सकते हो. और knitwear design, Hyderabad or Chennai, both are good. Whatever is nearby, you can choose. No, you won't be getting any refund if you get selected in NID. Common merit rank is 191, category rank is 7. For MDes, 191. Now your category is, you have not mentioned that. 197. If you fall under general category, then it will be difficult. But please fill the registration form then too. Specific date, registration fees से charge करते हैं. Specific date. Okay. अनुदीपिका वो अभी डिसाइड नहीं हुआ है. दे विल डिसाइड इट लेटर एट द टाइम ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन के बाद वो लोग आपको मेल या मैसेज मेल करेंगे कि कितना फीस वो आपसे लेंगे. तो वो अभी तक कुछ डिसाइड नहीं. लास्ट ईयर इट वाज अराउंड 1 लाख रुपीज. अदिति थोड़ा तो भी फिक्स करके जाना पड़ेगा. काउंसलिंग में आप ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि आपको सभी कोर्स में इंटरेस्ट है. थोड़ा तो यू हैव टू फिक्स कि मुझे फैशन में जाना है, एक्सेसरी में जाना है. और ये शीट से थोड़ा बहुत खुद फिगर आउट कर लो आपके रैंक के हिसाब से आपको कहाँ मिल सकता है. बीएफ टेक में पीडब्ल्यूडी शो नहीं कर रहा है. पीडब्ल्यूडी तो उस कैटेगरी होगी नहीं. बीएफ टेक में वो कैटेगरी नहीं होगी, इसलिए इट्स नॉट शोइंग. हाँ, अगर आपका एडमिशन नहीं हुआ और आपने फीस पे कर दी एनआईएफटी में, तो वो दे विल रिफंड यू योर फीस. अगर एनआईएफटी में ही आपने फी पे करी है और आपका बाद में एडमिशन नहीं हुआ है, तो दे विल रिफंड योर फीस. गांधीनगर इज बेटर. प्रिया, नो, लिस्ट ऑफ 2021 जब आप एडमिशन लोगे उसके बाद आएगी फॉर 2022 स्टूडेंट्स. तो आपके लिए रेफरेंस के लिए 2020 रहेगी. बट हाँ, कौन सी कैंपस में कौन सी सीट्स अवेलेबल है वो आपको वो लोग शो करेंगे एट द टाइम जब आप काउंसलिंग के लिए जाओगे. Madhu, common merit rank is 3374. फैशन डिजाइनिंग 3374 आपका है, तो आपको रायबरेली यू कैन टारगेट, रायबरेली मिल सकता है और श्रीनगर मिल सकता है। Harita, there will be only one round of counseling. Last year के reference से I'm saying this. This year अगर change होता है तो it can be, but it is like अभी के लिए expect है कि one round ही रहेगा। Ma'am, what if we have paid the fees but later seeing the campus allotment in counseling, we refuse to take admission? Yes, then in that case you will get the refund. Hyderabad is better. 4112 in general in Gandhinagar. Everything. Only in Gandhinagar, if you are targeting, then it will be difficult in this rank. It will be difficult in general category. They will tell you when to pay the fees, what amount to be paid. They will tell you everything in detail. Shweta, how are the campus placements in top 6 NIFT, beyond the top 6 NIFT? It's the same procedure. Top 6, like every 17 campuses, the same procedure. So now I have left with questions which are only based on common merit rank. So you can yourself see, Hina ma'am, would you like to answer some of the questions? I'm just unmuting you.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, Hina ma'am, over to you. We can answer some of the questions based, like, you can see the chat. You are not. Ma'am, Madhu has asked, my category rank is 2000 around, and can I get fashion designing?
In general category or which category?
General category.
You have to move the screen, Prerna.
For fashion designing.
Yeah, what was the common merit rank for her?
2000.
2000 mostly she'll get a Bhubaneswar or nearby Kangra or Kannur or Panchkula, Patna, Shillong. All these centers she'll get if she has a CMR 2000 nearby.
Yes. Ma'am, Siri has asked the question, when you asked us to choose a campus nearby for counseling, what does it mean?
That means if they are taking an offline counseling, so if you have selected the nearby center, you can go there and you can do your documentation process and everything over there at the campus place. And if they're asking for an online, then it is online only. But if for circumstances offline hua, then you can go there and do all the things, all the documents and all these things. So it is recommended you select nearby campus of NIFT while doing counseling session. So it will be easy for you people to go there.
Yes, ma'am. Can I change my center after the foundation year? Asked by Vedahi.
No, you can't.
You cannot change. So first, whatever you are choosing will be final. Anushka, yes. Sorry, but I could not see your question also. No, it won't be choosing the campus will affect the choice of campus also, ma'am?
Doesn't matter. See, NIFT is a label. So you can choose any. See, you have to sit with the 3 options of specialization and 3 to 4 options of college selections when you are sitting for the counseling. So you can select any according to your specialization or the city preference. So if you are getting a city preference, like you are getting a city preference of Mumbai, and it is on top. So you can see your references of courses if you have applied for fashion designing and you want to go for accessories, or you want to go for fashion communication. And if you are getting Bombay, and then you can change your options in specializations. And if you are getting campus placements on a good note, then you can change. See, it is vice versa. You can take a decision at what time counseling you are getting a particular seat में आपको दिखाएंगे, उसके according ही आप select कर पाओगे. So it is better कि 1 day prior जो वो लोग upload करते हैं metrics, वो आप check करके अपने 3 to 4 options of colleges and 2 to 4 options of specialization रख के बैठे. So at that time it will be easy for you to choose the thing.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Anupama has asked, ma'am, will they tell us if our seat is confirmed during counseling itself?
Yes, you have to fix the seat के भैया हमने ये बॉम्बे में फैशन डिजाइनिंग और दिल्ली में या whatever respective campus you have selected and whatever discipline you have selected, if you are saying yes to them, then it will be booked on your name and they'll notify you on mail and everything. You will receive everything on mail.
So at that particular time you have to choose and that will be final. Radhika ma'am, isn't there a form released after the first sem which allow us to change our course or campus?
Very rare. Exactly not. Very frankly speaking, it is not at all possible. But somehow if some seats are getting filled in second year, then maybe it can be happen. क्योंकि ऐसे तक हमने सुना नहीं है कि they interchanging the colleges.
Yes, true. So there will be no form for that. Yeah, I've answered this. Yeah, Sakshi, if we choose one campus and we don't get on that campus, so is there any option for another campus according to our rank?
Of course, that is what I said ना कि आपको 3-4 options लेके ही बैठना है. So if you are not getting Gandhinagar, then whatever is your second choice, you can go for that particular course.
Yes. So at that particular counseling round में आपको कैंपस अगर जो आपका डिजायर्ड है वो नहीं मिलता है, बिकॉज ये जो मेरिट रैंक जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर की है दैट आल्सो 100 रैंक इसमें ऊपर नीचे हो सकते हैं. तो उस केस में अगर आपको कोई दूसरा मिल रहा है तो सेकंड प्रेफरेंस को आप चूज एट द टाइम ऑफ काउंसलिंग ही कर सकते हो.
ये जो मेरिट रैंक हम लोगों ने जो शीट आपको शो किया, दिस इज ऑफ 2020. तो ये हमने रेफरेंस के लिए आपको दिखा रहे हैं. मे बी दिस ईयर 40-50 रैंक्स ऊपर नीचे सिटी वाइज हो सकते हैं. तो वो जब आप काउंसलिंग में बैठोगे और आपको जो लास्ट डे का मैट्रिक्स देखने को मिलेगा, उसी से आप कैलकुलेट कर पाओगे कि आपको कौन सा सेंटर, कल अगर हमारा इंटरव्यू है या काउंसलिंग सेशन है तो विच सेंटर, उसके हिसाब से ही आप ऑप्शंस रख पाओगे. ये एग्जैक्ट नंबर नहीं है, इसमें कुछ चेंजेस हो भी सकते हैं ये सारे.
Ma'am, there is one question by Bhagyashri Bodke. At the time of counseling, do we need to have leaving certificate along with all the semesters?
No. That documentation process will happen prior. आपका जो काउंसलिंग राउंड होगा एडमिशन के टाइम पे, जो ये कॉलेज सिलेक्शन के, उससे पहले आपका डॉक्यूमेंटेशन प्रोसेस एंड ऑल हो चुका होगा. पहले इस पे हो चुकी होगी. यू हैव टू ओनली काउंसलिंग सेशन में आपको सिर्फ अपनी सीट रिजर्व करनी है, कैंपस करना है एंड स्पेशलाइजेशन डिसाइड करना है. दैट्स इट.
Shilpi, yes, before counseling you have to pay fees in advance. It is based on last year thing, but this year we also don't know. But they can ask for fees in advance, and if you don't get selected, if you don't agree to the seat, then they will refund you your amount as well. Devendra Suthar, I have shared this with you. What documents based on last? I'll just share one more time. The list of documents. Hina ma'am, there is one question. Is category merit rank considered for securing seat? By Raghav Rathi.
या कॉमन मेरिट रैंक से आपको सिर्फ इंटरव्यू कॉल जो आपको मतलब जो काउंसलिंग में आपका जो नंबर होगा दैट विल बी अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कॉमन मेरिट रैंक एंड योर सीट रिजर्वेशन विल बी अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कैटेगरी रैंक.
Sakshi, is there scholarship for category? No, they don't have scholarship thing.
They don't have.
Ma'am, one student is asking documents when they have to give the documents.
You can start collecting the basic documentations what are required generally for the admission procedure. That proof, that is your photographs, your 10th, 11th college certificates and results and everything, your date of birth proof and date of birth certificates, medical certificates, photograph. So this you can start collecting and keep a soft copy with you. एंड नोटरी करवा लेना. अगर आप कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट अगर निकलवा रहे हैं उसको प्लीज आप नोटरी करवा के रखिए, बिकॉज आपको वो कोरियर भी करने हैं बाद में सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स. तो आप एक बेसिक जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है वो सब करके रखिए, और एडिशनल जो भी वो लोग एनेक्शर्स देते हैं वो आपको जो वो लिस्ट सेंड करेंगे उसके हिसाब से ही आपको बनवाने पड़ेंगे. So basic documents are this, कि भाई proof, date of birth proof, qualifications, category certificate, ये सारी चीजें बेसिक डॉक्यूमेंट्स है जो हर एक कॉलेज में या कहीं पे भी हम जाते हैं तो बेसिक ये डॉक्यूमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं. तो वो आप रेडी करिए. बाकी की जो एनेक्शर्स होंगे वो निफ्ट की वेबसाइट पे ही अपलोड होंगे.
मैम कब अपलोड करने रहते हैं वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स?
लाइक विद इन अ वीक टाइम, जब काउंसलिंग के जो डेट्स जो रजिस्ट्रेशन स्टार्ट होते हैं उसके बाद ही वो लोग सब अपलोड करेंगे डॉक्यूमेंट्स. लिस्ट पूरी आती है, एनेक्चर्स आते हैं, उसमें आपका मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट होता है, देन एंटी रेडी सर्टिफिकेट होते हैं, वो सब आपको साइन करके अपलोड करने होते हैं.
They will give you proper dates कि उस टाइम फ्रेम में आपको डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करना है after your selection in any of the campuses.
Yes.
Certificate of medical fitness can be obtained from any physician or it is from any particular doctor. So category wise any physician का एक certificate maintain रहता है. उस certificate में पूरी लिखा हुआ होता है कि कौन सी category का doctor होना चाहिए. So कोई भी physician अगर उस category का है, you can get certificate from them.
एक्चुअली 2019 तक उन्होंने एक गवर्नमेंट नोटिफाइड डॉक्टर से करवाने के लिए बोला था, बट कोविड की सिचुएशन से लास्ट ईयर उन्होंने बोला था कोई भी एमबीबीएस डॉक्टर से आप करवा सकते हैं मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट का, क्योंकि तब सब ये कोविड की वजह से जा नहीं पा रहे थे हॉस्पिटल्स वगैरह में, आप कोई डॉक्टर गवर्नमेंट डॉक्टर को अप्रोच नहीं कर पा रहे थे, तो उन्होंने फिर तब एक प्रायोरिटी दी कि आप कोई भी डॉक्टर से करवा सकते हैं सर्टिफिकेट. तो अभी ये साल देखते हैं क्या चेंजेस आते हैं. बेसिक थिंग्स कैन बी चेंज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन ऑफ द, बट बाकी मेन डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं क्या.
Okay, ma'am. Ruthi, there is no sports quota available at NIFT. I have reconciled it yesterday itself. There is no sports quota. Harshita, ma'am, one question is there from Harshita Jain. I have checked my rank and I'm not able to get in Gandhinagar for fashion designing as my common merit rank is 3605 and general merit rank is 2777. Should I attend the counseling of NIFT?
Yes, you should. All the students who have qualified for NIFT, they should register for the counseling session. See, as if you are not getting the seat, your fees are going to come back. But you have to attend the counseling, so at least situations के हिसाब से you never know कि what is going to happen, right? So you can take a chance and don't keep के घांतर ही, उसके अलावा भी जो options है वो भी ready रखिए अपने लिए. स्पेशलाइजेशंस में भी एंड कैंपस इसमें भी आप 2-3 ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करके रखें।
मैम श्रेष्ठ खरे ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है, फर्स्ट फेज में दिखाया कि आप शॉर्टलिस्ट हो, अभी फाइनल रिजल्ट में रैंक दे दी, हाउ कैन वी नो दैट वी आर सिलेक्टेड और व्हाट? उनको कैसे पता पड़ेगा कि वो सिलेक्ट हुए हैं कि नहीं?
यू आर सिलेक्टेड, बस आपको जो कॉमन मेरिट रैंक है उसके हिसाब से आपको इंटरव्यू आएंगे, जो भी आपकी काउंसलिंग की कॉलिंग आएगी वो कॉमन मेरिट रैंक से ही आएगी। एंड सी व्हाट इज योर कॉमन मेरिट रैंक, जिसने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है।
कॉमन मेरिट रैंक नहीं मेंशन किया है मैम, उन्होंने बस यही क्वेश्चन किया था।
You people are eligible for counseling session, don't worry. Who have got the common merit rank and category rank, they all are eligible to attend the counseling round.
Yes, and you should definitely attend the counseling round. Arya का question है, Arya Kutade, is there any specific format for OBC NCL certificate in Gandhinagar and Mumbai?
They've already mentioned, आपका जो ब्रोशर है ना जो 2021 का, उसमें ऑलरेडी एनेक्शर्स दिए हुए हैं AWS, OBC, SC कैटेगरी में कि किस तरह से वो होना चाहिए। They've already given the things. You can check the brochure of NIFT on website.
निफ्ट की वेबसाइट में एनेक्शन है, उसमें डाला हुआ है फॉर्मेट आर्या, उस फॉर्मेट में वो ओबीसी सर्टिफिकेट आपका होना चाहिए। निफ्ट के सारे कैंपस में सेम सर्टिफिकेट ही एप्लीकेबल होगा।
जब उन्होंने फॉर्म भरा होगा आई गेस उन्होंने वो अपलोड किया होगा डॉक्यूमेंट।
हाँ, आर्या ने किया होगा। Vaibhavi, any need of domicile for Delhi student? No, in Delhi they don't have a domicile category.
They don't have domicile.
Sharmi Ram, अभी एडमिशन नहीं हुआ है लेकिन पहले क्वेश्चन है, when is the semester likely to start? Hina ma'am?
That I also can't say. Let's see. Hope you are getting your 12th result soon. So after all this, see, as if all the students have cleared 12th standard. So I don't know that document is much required now. But still, yeah, hopefully we can say कि August तक शायद start हो सकते हैं, but we can't say, this is a tentative time, we can't say an exact date what time they are going to start the colleges. That depends actually on NIFT admission procedure.
They are related to common merit rank. One Radhika, one student is asking, ma'am, Hyderabad is better or Kolkata? Fashion designing and fashion communication. Both.
I think all the NIFT centers are same. See, you have applied for NIFT. Obviously, see, Delhi, Bombay, and all this matters. But still, you can't leave any NIFT campuses. अगर आपको कहीं पे भी मिल रहा है, Hyderabad is also good. And which one is she asking for the second choice?
Second is, I guess, Kolkata.
Both are same. Both are nice. Don't worry about it. You can go for anyone.
Rajas, yes, you can get 1300 general category for FC. You can get in Kangra. Yes, you can get Rajas. Radhika has mentioned, thank you, Neena ma'am. Which course is better if not getting admission in fashion designing? That
particular depends on your interest. That particular depends on your interest.
Yeah. So
that is the reason we are saying again and again that keep the specialization choice also, 2 or 3 specializations. Because you have to keep according to your particular thing. कि आपको किसमें interest है.
और कौन सा बेटर है, फैशन डिजाइनिंग, फैशन कम्युनिकेशन, वो सब हम लोग नहीं आंसर कर पाएंगे बिकॉज इट कंप्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन योर इंटरेस्ट। आगे जाके आपको 4 इयर्स उस कॉलेज में निकालने हैं, सो इट्स बेटर यू ओनली डिसाइड सी क्या कोर्स का मतलब है, एंड यस यू ओनली कैन डिसाइड दैट। देवेंद्र, एक्सेसरी कट ऑफ यू वांट टू नो? I'll share the yeah, so you can look into it. Hina ma'am, एक student ने पूछा है where we can find brief of each course. What course means what?
On NIFT website, all the courses, when you search for the Bachelor of Design courses, they have given the description of all the courses, what they are going to teach in that particular course. So you can go to the website, you can search for the courses and you will get all details on that.
अब सिलेक्शन हो गया है, so keep a track. निफ्ट की वेबसाइट को विजिट करो and search all the icons. कौन से आइकन में क्या इंफॉर्मेशन है, it will be helpful. Based on the category and common merit rank only, questions are there only. Ma'am, Vidya has asked, category rank in this table is based on category rank or common merit rank?
कॉमन मेरिट रैंक पे एडमिशन होता है. ये जो लिस्ट है, दे ऑल आर कॉमन मेरिट रैंक, दे आर नॉट कैटेगरी रैंक. सो कैटेगरी रैंक से उनको सीट एलोकेट होगी और कॉमन मेरिट रैंक से उनका इंटरव्यू होगा, काउंसलिंग होगी.
काउंसलिंग के लिए आपको कॉल आएगा सीएमआर से, कॉमन मेरिट रैंक से, और सीट एलोकेशन आपका कैटेगरी रैंक के बेसिस पे ही होगा. स्नेहा रॉय ने, my native place is Kolkata but I have passed 12th in Rajasthan. Will I get domicile in Jodhpur? Please answer, my parents are curious to know.
Yes, you will, because your 12th is from Rajasthan, you will get a domicile for Jodhpur.
Yes, so you
can apply.
Yeah, you have to attach your 12th leaving certificate, that's it. So whatever place you are from, but if you have done your education from this 9 states, you are eligible for state domicile category. Ma'am, Juhi ने पूछा है, how many counseling rounds will be there for masters in design?
Only one round. Last year भी one ही हुआ था, अभी भी एक ही होगा round. Hopefully, let's see. Rest of things are not. We are not informed yet in on website anything. But last year online हुआ था तो एक ही हुआ था round counseling.
Ma'am, Devendra Suthar ने पूछा है, for general which is used, common merit rank or category merit rank? General category.
Common merit rank is common CMR. आपका सिर्फ CMR से आपको जो आपकी काउंसलिंग होगी वो आपकी CMR नंबर से आएगी, बट आपका जो एडमिशन होगा दैट विल बी कैटेगरी रैंक. कोई भी हो, ओपन EWS कैटेगरी, कोई भी कैटेगरी रैंक से ही आपको सीट अलॉटमेंट होगा. CMR इज जस्ट कि आपने इतने स्टूडेंट्स में आप ये जगह पे स्टैंड करते हो, आपका इंटरव्यू कॉल सिर्फ CMR से आएगा, दैट्स इट. एडमिशन प्रोसीजर कोई भी कैटेगरी का होगा, जनरल या कोई भी, उनका कैटेगरी रैंक से ही उनको सीट अलॉटमेंट होती है.
My common merit rank is 4000. Will I be called for counseling? Yes, देवेंद्र, आपको काउंसलिंग के लिए बुलाएंगे. आपका रिजल्ट अगर आया है तो सबको काउंसलिंग के लिए बुलाएंगे. आपको रजिस्टर करना रहेगा. Kanishka, is there any different registration for domicile? Hina ma'am?
या दे हैव टू. डोमिसाइल के लिए शायद मेरे ख्याल से काउंसलिंग के टाइम पे ही होगा या पहले डोमिसाइल का आएगा, अगर आप डोमिसाइल के लिए अप्लाई करना चाहते हो तो. आई एम नॉट प्रीटी श्योर अबाउट दिस. आई जस्ट हम लोग एक बार उसको चेक करके आपको रिवर्ट बैक करते हैं उस चीज के लिए.
Yeah, because different registration, सिर्फ एक document extra attach हो जाएगा, पर registration mostly it will be same only. But though we will check and revert you, Kanishka, on this.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Karavik का एक question है. If I am sticking to one course like fashion designing, then how much chances are there to get admission in that particular course? And in course preference in second place, if I put fashion communication, then how they will decide which course they can give her?
They will not decide that. You have to decide that which choice you have to keep and according to which particular place you are getting for that course. So वो आपकी choice है, वो लोग आपको choice नहीं देंगे. That you have to finalize कि आपको कौन सी specialization चाहिए according to the matrix में जहाँ पे सीट खाली होगी आप उसी चीज के लिए अप्लाई कर पाओगे। वो आपके हाथ में है। वो लोग आपको ऐसे स्पेसिफिक नहीं बोलेंगे कि आप बैंगलोर में या हैदराबाद में ले लो।
Nandini Bisht, ma'am, which branch has best scope? Hina ma'am.
Pardon, I didn't get your question.
Which branch has best scope?
Best what?
Scope. NIFT
Well,
has best. So
NIFT is the best.
NIFT is
you have cleared NIFT, that is the best thing you have done.
Yeah. So toughest part आपका हो गया है. So NIFT कोई भी branch हो, everything is best. Scope सबका अच्छा ही है. Hina ma'am, Harshini का question है, ma'am, what is the cutoff of NIFT Hyderabad in general category in fashion designing?
In Hyderabad, it is 907.
Yeah, it's 907 Harshini cutoff last year.
This is last year.
Hina ma'am, Priya का question है, my category rank is around, I guess, 1500. So will I get fashion designing in general category?
In which campus she wants?
Yeah, I guess she's open to all the campuses.
Of course she'll get.
Of course, yeah, you will get Priya. I say she is saying Chennai is her preference.
Chennai is 1153 last year.
So thoda. Oh. Devansh, he has repeated his question like 7 times, and he has mentioned, sorry for repeating because I was not reading, I guess it went through. Ma'am, my BF Tech CMR rank is 101 and general rank is 81. What colleges can I get? So it's CMR rank is 101 and general rank is 81.
So 101 he'll get Mumbai also. CMR is 101.
You can target you can target Devansh all the centers apart from New Delhi. Except New Delhi, you can target, I guess, all the centers. And congratulations, Devansh. Yeah, Priyanka Agarwal. Ma'am, please tell me that if I don't get a good campus, should I go for private college? Hina ma'am?
See, that totally depends on your call. It is your call because first we will give us a preference to NIFT campuses. Yeah. Anyhow, first preference you should keep for NIFT. And if you're not getting a good campus or of your choice and you don't want to go so far, then of course it is recommended don't take a. You can take any particular college. It's a very nice college you can take and you can apply for that. And you can take an admission.
Sandhya Thakur, I got 138 rank general EWS. Oh, great, Sandhya. Which college I will get in textile design, ma'am? Please reply. So general EWS.
What is her CMR?
It's 138, ma'am.
She can go for any campus.
Anyone, yeah. Sandhya, you can go for any center, whatever is comfortable. If you want to target Mumbai also, you can do that. For fashion designing, yeah. Sucharita, your CMR is 3132. So you can get Raebareli and Srinagar both, but I don't think so you can get Shillong because last cutoff was 2800 around. So it will be like 200 margin. It will be difficult, I guess. Vaishnavi, Vaishnavi, question क्या था? Vaishnavi, I don't have your question. Can you write it again? Ma'am, there is one question from Nandini Bisht. My CMR is 83 and general category rank is 75. What college preference should I fill? And which subject? Fashion communication or fashion design?
See, choice of subject, you can choice according to your particular liking zone, and college, particular can get any college with this CMR.
Yeah. And
so preference is like you have to sit with your parents and you have to decide that you want to go for Delhi or you want to keep a preference for Mumbai or whatever.
Yeah. And
if you are open for all that, choose the best one.
Yeah. I have been seeing बहुत सारे questions आ रहे हैं. What is like fashion communication or fashion designing? दोनों courses are not same. They are different. Fashion designing is designing of your clothes, like any type of cloth, how to design that. Fashion communication is आप आपके brochures में, journals में, visual merchandising, वो पार्ट फैशन कम्युनिकेशन का होता है कि आपने ड्रेस डिजाइन कर ली, उसको पब्लिक तक कैसे आपको पहुंचाना है. Through magazines you will write that this brand has launched this particular dress or this kind of dress, this collection. So fashion communication work on that. Both are, if I see, they are different fields. So yes, accordingly, if you are more interested in this visual merchandising, publishing ads in journals, then you should go for fashion communication. And Nandini, if you are interested in designing, then fashion design should be your thing, because you got a great rank, you can get whatever campus you want. That is why I'm explaining this in detail. So if you like designing clothes, then go for fashion designing. And if you are into marketing thing or you like communicating your stuff to public, then go for fashion communication. A lot of questions. Please answer, Shresht. I have answered your questions. It's a category common rank only. Zeal, ma'am, Zeal has asked one question. My rank is 13,000. Which campus is best for me?
13,000?
Yes, 13,000. Now 13,000. I will answer. Zeal 13,000. It will be difficult, but then to please apply for. Yeah, it's very difficult, but please apply for the registration. Though it is difficult, don't be disheartened. Also, it's okay. You have applied. You have come this way long. So don't be disheartened. You can definitely apply, but going above 8 or 9,000, it will be difficult for you to get colleges. Vignesh, accessory design. Ma'am, what is accessory design? This is asked by Vignesh.
Accessories is designing whatever things you are carrying with you. It can be jewelry, it can be watch, it can be your glass, it can be your wallets, it can be your purses, everything. Everything comes under accessories, what you are carrying with yourself when you are going somewhere, and what outfit, it complements your outfit. That is an accessory. So everything is included in your accessories.
Yes. Vignesh, congratulations. Your rank is 34. Congratulations, Vignesh. Which college is good, Mumbai or Delhi? Then what designing you want to go? You have not mentioned that. But ma'am, he has asked like which campus is good, Mumbai or Delhi? His rank is 34.
Delhi is the best campus.
Yeah, because that is the one campus that have all campus under it. So yeah, go ahead with Delhi. Ma'am, there is one very good question by Harshita Jain. This year I'm not able to get admissions in NIFT nearby campuses, and then I join a private college for 1 year. Then after studying there for 1 year, can I apply for NIFT BDES next year again? And what are the chances
Yes,
that I can get admission next year?
See, you can apply for the next year, and whatever learning process you are doing in the college, that of course are going to help you to achieve your goals and getting a good rank in NIFT. Because as if you have cleared your NIFT examination this year, you know what type of paper pattern they are going to ask, what type of question they are asking. So that will help you, of course. And if you are not getting through it see, we are not giving you a negative impact, but if you're not getting, at least you're in second year, why to take a break? You can apply for the next year, of course, and you can score a good marks, and you can score a good rank, and you can go to best college. This journey is going to help you anyhow.
Yes. And this is advisable also. Like, this is one of the best advice, Harshita. Sneha Roy, I will answer this. What is the difference between textile design and fashion design? So textile designing is designing of fabrics, like whatever fabrics are there. So if I am wearing a white, which is a transparent thing, so this is in fabric. Designing of fabrics comes under textile design. And through that textile, through that fabric, fashion designer used to make outfit. So textile design mein fabric printing, fabric weaving, block printing, roller, shibori, any work print, cartoon, what age generation you are targeting, accordingly how you can design a particular cloth, that comes under textile design. And fashion designing is designing of your outfit, so you can use that cloth to design outfit. Ma'am, Twisha has again asked the same question. Can I reapply for the NIFT entrance exam next year, joining this year to select choice of institute and subject?
Yes, can apply.
Priya N has said, thank you very much for patiently answering all my questions. Truly appreciate your time and guidance. Welcome, Priya. And congratulations, everyone over here. You got your result. You are part of, you will be part of NIFT soon. So we are very proud to see the result this time. Yeah, I'll answer some of the questions again. Sushitra, ma'am, if I don't get seat in Chennai, that is in my state, will I get access to hostel facilities in other center if I get a seat there?
If they have a hostels, of course you will get the facility.
And NIFT campus is nearby. There are a lot many hostels also. If I check Gandhinagar's NIFT also, there are a lot many hostel flats nearby where all the students used to stay. So hostel facility should not be a major issue when we talk about any other center. OBC category is 225 and you want a Mumbai center. Namrata, definitely you will get Mumbai center. Definitely. You can keep priority like first. Akansha, if I join NIFT this year and after 1 year I cleared NID, can I join NID?
That is your personal choice here. That what preference you want to keep. You want to keep a fashion as a preference, or communication or industrial design.
And I also want to add this, like next year, if you will apply for NID and you get into NID, you have to start from very basic, like the first year, the foundation year. So 4 years again.
From the very first year.
So they won't be taking you from the second year. So if your question was that, then Pratigya, your common merit rank is 221. OBC rank is 277. Textile design, what you can get. Yeah. So common merit is 221 and OBC rank is 277. Textile design, you can choose any of the center. No. Yeah, you can choose. I guess, yeah. Only New Delhi will be out of your thing. Apart from that, you can choose any center, Pratigya. Apart from New Delhi, you can choose any of the center. Vedahi, exact total number of seats, I also have to check that. Hina ma'am, do you know exact total number of seats in EWS category in NIFT?
जनरल कैटेगरी में जितनी सीटें हैं उसका 5% is EWS.
Okay.
So if they are having 200 seats, then 5% will be given to the EWS. So you have to check the total number of seats what are available in general, and 5% you can calculate for EWS.
Okay. Okay. So now I guess, ma'am, all the questions are related to common merit rank only. So like this PPT, we will be sharing you this PPT. Hina ma'am, there is one question. Anushka Chatterjee has asked, how much SAT score is required for NRI quota?
I don't think so they want for that particular NRI के आपको apply करने के लिए कोई SAT का नहीं चाहिए ना result?
नहीं, NIFT they need SAT score, but yeah, they need.
Okay, I don't have any idea about it.
Yeah, but what is like score is required? That I guess that is again on the merit based. But Anushka, I'll check this. You can get in touch with us. My number is 98250-57598. I'll be answering it after reading through it, like the SAT score thing. Priyansha Goyal, which is best for fashion communication, Kangra, Jodhpur or Bhubaneswar? Hina ma'am.
In this particular three choice, I guess Jodhpur will be the option.
Jodhpur will be the good option, yeah. Last ranks are based on common merit rank only, dear. So this, everything, whatever I'm showing is based on common merit rank. Priyanka Sinha, average fee structure, it will be around 3 lakh per annum. Yeah, little bit more than 3 lakhs.
Around about 330.
330, yeah. So I guess now there are questions only related to the common merit rank. We will share this PPT the way we said you about the rank and we read this whole chart. You can yourself do it. If then also you are facing any queries regarding it, you can contact us. We'll be guiding you related to your rank or anything. Thank you very much for being associated with BRDS, being a part of BRDS family. We are very proud to see like this much result this time. This many students scored this much of result. And if you have any doubts, anything you want to ask us, ask any of the counselors. If you have numbers of your mentors also, so you can directly get in touch with them. If you don't have number of your mentor, then you can just drop a message on your academics, or else you can call us on 98250-57598. We'll be happy helping you. And yeah, good luck. If you are targeting, if your second preference is NID, good luck. Results will be out soon. And yes, Hina ma'am, from your side, anything to our students?
Yeah, thank you so much for attending the session, and we all are proud of you. Best of luck for the things, and hope you all get a best centers of your choice. And we would love to hear the final result from all of you.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.